Hey, welcome back to my channel. Soundstorm Labs EVO5000.1 EVO5000 Drive your in-vehicle audio system with the Soundstorm EVO5000.1 monoblock Class D amplifier. This powerful 1 ohm stable amplifier features 5000 watts max power with a MOSFET power supply to pump out your tunes. Customize the sound with variable low-pass crossover, bass boost, and subsonic filter. Get powerful bass with the remote subwoofer control. For double the performance and power, strap on another EVO5000.1 for a total power of 10,000 watts at 2 ohms. The EVO series offers visually and sonically stunning amplifiers built to deliver outstanding performance and immense power for incredible fidelity and flexibility. Shift your music into high gear with the Soundstorm EVO5000.1. For further product details, please scroll down. 5000W max power at 1 ohm x 1 channel. 2500W max power at 2 ohm x 1 channel. 1250W max power at 4 ohm x 1 channel. Low-level inputs, RCA preamp outputs, switchable phase control. Variable low-pass crossover, variable bass boost, variable subsonic filter. Dimensions: depth 19.1, x width 10, x height 2.3, 6-year platinum online dealer warranty. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.